In the Belgian city of Antwerp, the 14th edition of the World Mycotoxin Forum was held. Against the beautiful backdrop of the historical Antwerp Zoo, over 450 specialists and scientists in the field of mycotoxins converged to discuss the latest trends and research findings in mycotoxin prevalence and mitigation. The main aim of this edition was to assemble the world's best minds across the spectrum of integrated strategies, ensuring the safety and security of the food and feed supply chain. The World Mycotoxin Forum provides a unique platform for scientists, researchers, policymakers, and industry leaders to share insights, breakthroughs, and strategies in combating this global challenge.
So I think generally with most conferences there are poster sessions. There aren't very many specific mycotoxin meetings. So I must say in terms of that, the World Mycotoxin Forum really presents a premier platform for that type of communication, which is really nice because it's often presented by students. And I think it's a valuable part of them being able to learn how to communicate their science not only to the scientific community, but also to a far broader audience.
The event took its delegates on a journey of discovery as it explored the latest advancements in mycotoxin research, from cutting-edge detection methods to innovative approaches in mycotoxin management. This forum is not just a meeting of minds, it's a catalyst for transformative change. In plenary sessions and parallel gatherings, the different challenges in the feed and food industry were discussed. WMF Meets Belgium also offered an excellent way to network, share ideas, and formulate recommendations and conclusions on how to close knowledge gaps for everyone involved in the mycotoxin scene and business.
For us, the main focus is to be here manifold. It's to spread information about our products. It's to network. It's to be in contact with potential customers. But it is also a great opportunity to exchange information. I'm a big fan of content marketing, and this is a great opportunity to share also content. We have the opportunity to give a workshop. We have an opportunity to present posters, and that is what makes World Mycotoxin Forum also different from other events. So for us, this is really an important event.
During this year's World Mycotoxin Forum, there was a dedicated session for the next generation. During the Young Scientist Forum, Celco invited young scientists, researchers, and students to share experiences and learn from each other.
Indeed, so what we're trying to do with the Young Scientist Forum is also to bring the two generations together. We saw a lot of excitement with that because there is the old and established, and there's also the new coming in from these young minds. So we wanted to make sure that they both get confronted in the Young Scientist Forum. We really reinforce applied sciences. So there's a lot of information, a lot of novel information that the forum brings, but we need to make sure that they reach the end user, and that's really the job that we're trying to do.
In a world where global challenges demand collaborative solutions, the World Mycotoxin Forum cultivates knowledge, innovation, and sustainable practices. In this 14th edition, WMF Meets Belgium, the forum has proven to uphold its stature as the place to be when it comes to addressing the critical issues surrounding mycotoxins. Keep following the event website worldmycotoxin.org for updates on the next edition of the World Mycotoxin Forum, to be held in the spring of 2025.